Give me some few minutes and I will show you how to do copy trading on Binance. Let's start by defining what a copy trading is. From the word copy and trading, you can deduce that it is all about copying somebody's trading. This is exactly what it is. So on Binance, you can actually come to Binance and copy trading from other traders, such as a professional traders that you either look up to and you want to copy their trade. You can simply do that on Binance. I will show you how to do that shortly, but let's just get started by doing some research about this, because I'll be showing you how to set up your account, how to manage your risks, and how to carefully do it. So if you have your Binance app, just follow through everything I'm going to show you. Let's head over to our dashboard. Once you come to your Binance app, this is how the dashboard looks like. Find where you see futures. If you click on futures, once you come to futures, you see USDM futures, Coin M futures. You can see leaderboard. This is where you should head over to. Come to leaderboard. Once you come to leaderboard, under leaderboard, you can see featured traders. Under featured traders, you see USDM futures and Coin M futures. As at the time of making this video, this is how the interface is. So let me just give you a brief difference between the Coin M futures and the USDM futures. The traders that are trading in the USD margin futures are actually traders that are trading with a US dollar pegged stable coin, such as USDT or BUSD. And then those that are trading in the Coin M futures are traders that are actually trading with other cryptocurrencies as their collateral. So if you have USDT or BUSDT in your spot wallet, you can go ahead and select USDM futures. This is just like you trading in the futures market, but this time around you're simply copying professional traders that have spent long time in the futures market and are actually making serious money in trading. You can simply copy them. So let's get to it. Click on view more. Let's see how many things we can look up to before we can start copying. Under the leaderboard, you can see the top performing traders right here. You can see ROI, that is return on investment. You can see all traders. We want to see every single trader. Now right here, if you click on this guy, you're going to see his performance, his active trading position, and every single information you need to know about this guy. So we can actually see that he has almost 4,360 something followers. And then if you want to follow this guy either on Twitter or right here, you simply click on follow. And then you can see positions. There is not any active position that is open right now from him. And then you check on performance. You can actually see his performance over the time he has been trading. You can see monthly and weekly performance. But let's go back and then I will show you some of the places you can do more research on them. If you click on ROI, you can actually see profit and loss. You can select based on profit and loss. If you click on this, you can see that it will reshuffle. This is the leader when it comes to trading with profit and loss. You can select the time frame if you wish. You can say weekly, which I recommend. If you really want to make short-term profit, you can select people that are doing well over some few weeks, and then you can follow them, because you don't want to stay for a long period of time. You're not a positional trader, you are simply copying trade. Turn it back to ROI and then leave it for weekly. So this one will allow you to select all the good performing traders over that particular week. Remember, you have USDM futures. If you have maybe BTC or Ethereum that you want to use for trading as a collateral, you can go to Coin M. It also has a plethora of traders that are doing well under that. But if you have USDT or BUSD in your spot wallet as collateral, you can simply come to USDM futures. You can check all these guys and see their performance. If you come to position, you can see that this guy currently has an open position. He's trading BTC and then the size is 2 point something BTC. His entry price was this level. He entered a long position at $22,901 per BTC. So you can actually see this guy's position as active as it is. So let's go straight to how you can copy trading on this particular platform. Down here you can see Trader Wagon. This is where you can find the copy trading. You can actually become a leader if you want to become somebody that will trade, and then people follow you. By following you, every trade you take, at the end of the day, you give some percentage to the leader trader that you're following. Okay, that's the benefit of it. So if you come to copy now, as you can see right here, click on copy now. It will take you to where you will start setting up your account. So let me show you everything you will need to do before you can start using this service. Don't just jump into it. Make sure you stay to the end. And at this point, if you really love what I'm doing, make sure you give this video a like. Above all, remember to hit the subscribe button. So right here, we can see if you have any favorite trader, you can put them under your favorite. If you did not link up your Binance app with the Trader Wagon, you can simply do that. I already logged in. That is why you can see it like this. So you can see 30 days ROI, total profit and loss, copy traders. If you click on copy traders, you can actually see a lot of these particular people. Now, we want to click on copy traders and see some of these guys and check them. Who are they, and then how do we do our research in order to stay safe with a good trader? So we can see this guy is the number one. It's called 10 billion trading. We click on it, 30 days ROI. That is based on 30 days ROI, 1 month. We can see 10% profit per day up to 10,000% with compound interest. That is his aim. Now it is under USDM futures portfolio margin. This guy is trading almost $26,000 in the market. This is the 30 days ROI. That is about 334% in 30 days. That is good. You can see the win rate is around 95%. Then 30 days win rate is around 58.9%. In the last 30 days, he had 71 win orders. That is good. And then 30 days total orders, he had just 74 orders, and then he won 71 of them. That is perfect. And then this guy is already full. His space has completely been full. You don't have space to follow him. You need to look for another person and follow. So let's go back and check somebody that has not been fully followed. This guy, let's see him and see what he has to offer. Let's click on this and see his performances and then know whether we can copy this guy. Now, if you come over here, you can actually see performance. Go to view more and see everything about his performance in the market. This will help you. If you see that this guy is not having any good win rate, I think you can avoid copying his trade. Current position, he doesn't have any current position. Trade history, let's see his trade history. In the last trading, you can see this guy has been losing. This is a win trade, losing. You can see his performance. If you want to follow him, then you can follow his trade statistics of his performance. He's actually doing some good performances here. This is actually how a good trader should be. You can see their ups and downs, and then the performance is growing exponentially. So you can check and see. If you check around, you can see a lot of them. Any trader you want to copy, just go ahead and check them, see how they are doing, and then you can go ahead and copy them. Let's check this guy. If he is not full, we can check and see. This guy is completely full. We can check his performance. We click on view more and see what current positions he has open in the market. So we can see it right now. This guy, he has a current position symbol. He's trading up USDT and he's long on this particular pair. Is a long-term entry that you can see right here. This guy is actually doing good. Trade history, let's see. He has a lost trade, win, lost, win rate. You can see these ones. The one you see with this green is actually a winning trade. The one you see with red is actually a losing trade. So in trading, there are losing trades and winning trades, and that's why I want to make sure that you do the right thing. So let's go back and copy this, our former guy, and see how we can copy this guy. This one is full. So after doing your research, let's assume you want to copy one of these traders that you have done your research. Don't forget, it is under copy traders that you will come, and then you can scroll down and see any of them. Let's say we want to copy this one. We click on it. We can actually see, you can simply come to copy. He has 3 win rate and 3 trades that he took. It's good. He has 183% return on investment in the last 30 days. You click on copy. After you click on copy, you can continue with Binance. You see, click on continue with Binance, then it will take you into your Binance account. Now you will log into your Binance app, click on continue, Now you have been able to link your app with this particular one. So let me just enter this and then show you how to go about it. Once you log into your Trader Wagon, you make sure you create an account with Trader Wagon. It's simply straightforward. Just link your Binance app with the Trader Wagon. You can come to this. You can see new copy mode. You simply click on OK. Remember that particular guy we want to copy. So right here we can see cost per order, or we can see copy amount. We can fix our amount of money we can put per order. So the minimum amount you can put is $10. Is $10. That's the minimum amount you can put in this copy trade. So you can simply come to this copy amount. Binance spot available is around $63. I can put, let's say, $10. I want to bring $10 from my spot wallet to this particular place, and then $10 for each trade that I will be entering. But I will show you how to adjust your risks so that you will not lose your money easily. Now, when you scroll down, you can see low leverage mode. This is very important. If you want to go beyond 10x leverage, you can simply turn it off, and then you can go beyond 10x leverage. It can simply copy the leverage that the trader is using for his entry. But you can adjust your own because you don't know how much he is using to enter trade. Make sure you adjust your leverage. So let me show you how to adjust the leverage to less than 5x. Let me leave it at 3x. That is my favorite leverage. I don't want to risk more money than I can afford. And then your take profit and stop loss, click on it. After clicking on take profit and stop loss, you will have access to now put it based on percentage. Our take profit is this, you can see it right here, and our stop loss is this, you can see it right here. So I want to put my take profit as, I want to make, let's say 10%. I want to make 10% of my money, which is $1. 10% of the $10 you put is just $1. If you want to make 100% per trade, you can adjust it. You can see it right here. Let's leave it as 50%. And then the next is to set our stop loss. So you can adjust the stop loss to, let's leave it as, let's say at 80%, which means we are losing just 20% of our money. You can see it here. We will lose $2 if we have a losing trade, and then we will make $5 if we have a winning trade. After you've done that, is to simply click on OK. Don't tamper with this, just leave it like that. I don't usually mess with that. Click on OK. After clicking on OK, now your copy trading is submitted. You now select this. After selecting, read the terms and conditions, click on submit. After clicking on submit, we will now wait for our copy trade to be activated. Copy portfolio successfully. Your assets were successfully transferred from your spot account to your portfolio. So we can click on this view. If you click on view, you can actually see the active ongoing portfolio that I have on the Trader Wagon. You can always end this if you don't want it. You can cancel the copy trading. You can come to close portfolios. We can see it right here. We can go back to ongoing, and these are all the things we have right here. If you click on this, after you click on that, you can actually make more transfer to this particular platform. You can adjust your take profit and stop loss, or you can stop the copy trading. All you have to do, if you're not satisfied with the service, you simply click on stop copy trading and then click on confirm. This is it. It has ended the copy trading, and now you can go to your wallet and you can see that it has no money in your portfolio trading account. You can go back to your Binance and find your money in your spot wallet. So this is basically how to do copy trading on Binance. Don't forget, you always come to copy now, then you can see your wallet, you can see my copy trading. If you have any active one, closed portfolio is this one where I have closed all the copy trading I have. Go back home and come back to Binance. This is actually how to do copy trading on Binance, guys. You can simply do that and make profit with the traders that are actually making profit in the market. It is pretty much easy to do. Make sure you give this video a like. Make sure you turn the bell notification for more updates from me. Thank you, guys. See you in another video.